Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. In our today's video, I will go over how to get the perimeter of a specific shapefile by using Python. So this video was requested by one of you, so let's get started. So over here in this folder, I have this specific shapefile, which represents the state of Illinois. And what I'm gonna do is compute the perimeter of this polygon by using Python. So let's get started. So over here, I need to first import OS and specify the location of that specific where is located this. Actually, let me just perimeter. And over here, I need to go back to the folder. And let me just copy and paste this location over here. So now let's add a markdown cell and type, let's reading shapefile. And over here, let's import GeoPandas as GPD. And let's read the shapefile. So Illinois. Let's use GeoPandas. There's a function called read file that allow us to read that file. And let me go back to the folder. Let me just copy the name. The name of the folder is the same name of the shapefile. So if I type the specific shapefile that I just read, so you can see a lot of attributes over here. And it's basically, it contains one row with that specific polygon. If I just plot it really quick, so you can see this polygon represent the state of Illinois. So now what we need to do is before computing the perimeter, we need to check the projection. So checking projection. So I need to type the variable that contains the shapefile, and here will be CRS. So over here you can see that the projection is 4269, and so the units, latitude and longitude, are in degrees. So we need to reproject this specific shapefile to a planar projection. So that has like a meter unit. So we can compute the perimeters in meters. So in that case, I will call again. Illinois will be equal to Illinois. And I talked about this in my previous videos. I recommend you to watch it. I'm gonna put the link in the description. But in this case, we need to select the right projection. In the case of Illinois, is located in the projection number 32618. So this one will be WGS84 UTM zone 16. And now what we need to do is just run this. It will take some time. So if we want to check again the projection, so you will know that we just changed it. And now it's set to 32 16. And now the longitude and latitude are in meters. Okay, so now we can proceed to compute the perimeter. And for this, we can use GeoPandas. So what we are going to do, we have this specific geodata frame over here. What I'm gonna do is add a new column called perimeters, and over here I'm going to save the perimeter value for that specific polygon. In our case, we just have one row, so it will be for that specific row. So Illinois perimeter will be so we will need to call Illinois, the geodata frame, then geometry, that is specific column. And now we are going to get the length of that specific geometry. And if I do this, and now I plot, sorry, I call just the geodata frame, so you can see that the last column is called perimeter, and this will be the value for that specific shapefile. Now, in your case that you have like one specific geodata frame with a lot of rows, so you will get different perimeters for each one of them. If you want to compute the sum of all of the perimeters, so you can use, let's create a variable total perimeter. It will be equal to, we call the specific shapefile, Illinois, the column perimeter, and then we perform the summation of that column. And now if we print, we can either print or just call the variable total. So you will see that this will be the perimeter, which in our case is just this value. And the units of this one are meters. So we can add meters. This is all for our today video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.